What's good, YouTube? It's y'all boy 392 Nat, and we back with another banger video. Y'all can see from today's title, bro, I'm doing something a little bit different. This is my first POV since I straight piped the Scat. It's been super crazy, bro. I had fun time getting used to it, bro. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video, man. It's gonna be really, really lit. This thing sounds amazing now, bro. It sounded great before, but now, bro. Hear that quarter intake, bro? That mug is singing. My God. Second gear. Woo. Yeah, this thing sounds crazy straight pipe, bro. I don't know why I didn't do this earlier. That one got sideways quick. Yeah, bro, when I got the windows up, you could really hear the quarter intake. Little burbles. Gosh, this thing sounds amazing, man. I love this damn car. Wait till I get a cat. It's cold over here in Florida right now, bro. Y'all see, it's 57 degrees. That's cold for us, bro. I'm a Floridian at heart, man. So this junk cold. This ain't nothing to mess with. 50 degrees is cold as hell for us. Yeah, man, this thing just sounds so good in my car. I swear it's more responsive because of this. Now, I could just be exaggerating, man, but good job. I'm telling y'all, bro, if y'all listen up, you'll hear like the quarter intake just whining. Hear it? I don't know if the camera picking it up, man, but that mug sounds crazy. This mug sounds amazing, bro. Pops and everything are a lot louder. It might just be me, but I think the car is more responsive for sure. Next is headers, bro. Headers gonna take that thing to like the next step for real. So I'm really considering about doing headers next. That'd be super, super crazy. But this was really worth it. I don't know why I waited, man. I had the mid mufflers cut off. That's the first I did that like the first week I got the car. I should have did this, bro. I just thought the mid muffler sounded good enough, but nah, man, this thing takes it to a new level. And there's not much drone either. Like inside, there's no drone. It sounds damn near the same inside, but it's just louder outside for sure. I know that much. See, y'all hear that pop? From me for like, what the hell going on back there, bro? Let me know though if y'all prefer the POV with my phone, like wearing it on my head, or if y'all prefer the other way I've been doing it for the more recent videos. So I kind of like this, bro. My hands is free and clear. I like this a little bit more. Yeah, I kind of enjoy this a little bit more, bro. Just so I'm like more hands-on for real, and I can focus more. But I felt this angle look a lot better. So let me know which one y'all prefer. I'm telling you. Tell you, bro, it sound like a damn Hellcat, bro. That quarter intake be doing its job. Just cutting through the back roads. I got hella back roads all around me, so I can really turn up in them. Whole car painted. This thing sounds so good. I got a GoPro. I got to mount it up in the back of my car so y'all can hear it from the outside too. Be the little cars always pulling out. Whew. Damn. This thing is moving. Careful, even though we're doing the speed limit, there be a lot of cops over here, so gotta be careful. bouncy as hell. What y'all think, man? Was the straight pipe worth it? To me, yes, bro. This thing sounds amazing. But I definitely do want to go louder for sure. I think headers is gonna be the next thing that I do. Again, I don't know how long I want to keep this car. I don't know if I want to have for another 6 months, another year. But I don't know if I want to get headers on it and then get rid of it eventually and get a Hellcat, or should I wait to get a Hellcat and do the headers to that? It's all decisions to make, man. But I hope y'all enjoyed today's video, man. Want to give y'all POV of the straight pipe Scat Pack for now. The first one, be more to come for sure, man. Just make sure that y'all continue to show love. Like I said, thank y'all for hitting 2K subscribers, man, and we'll be back with another banger. Peace.